What makes the Astribot T1 so different from the typical robots we see confined to tech labs? The short answer is speed and flexibility. This robot features mechanical arms that can move at near human speed, but with mind-blowing precision. Just watch how it pours chemical liquids in a laboratory without spilling a single drop, or how it assists a mechanic by picking up precision tools in a workshop. It doesn't just move randomly, it genuinely understands the objects it handles. But the real magic happens when you bring this robot into the domestic space. For anyone who hates chores, the Astribot T1 is an absolute answer to your prayers. It can smoothly sort dirty laundry, load it into the washing machine, and even tidy up messy couch pillows. It can even act like a professional chef in the kitchen, chopping up ingredients, stir-frying on a hot pan, and flipping a steak to absolute perfection. The best part? This robot isn't stiff or boring. The Astribot T1 is designed to be completely user-friendly and interactive. It can play a game of air hockey with the kids at home or just give you a high five to celebrate a job well done. Plus, its safety system is incredibly strict, meaning it will automatically brake or soften its movements whenever you get close. Priced around 89,900 yuan, the Astribot T1 proves that a future where robots and humans live side by side is officially here. So if you had one at home, what's the #1 chore you'd hand over to it? Let me know in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more mind-blowing future tech updates.